Oh no! What is that? Is that a freaking bird?
Alright guys, we're back with another episode of Pikmin 2. Last time we finished off, we just got through with the tunnel. I got destroyed at the very end, but we redeemed ourselves. And we have discovered another tunnel. So we're going to explore that today. Let's do this. Good morning, men. We're seasoned fighters now. Alright, the tunnel is here. Into this hole with your Pikmin squad? Yes. Don't mind if I do. It looked like they had poison, so I'm a little nervous for that. White Flower Garden. Sounds like a very beautiful place. Oh wow, it actually looks really nice. Alright, men. First enemies of the day. Fight! Alright, there's the way out. There's gotta be something. Oh, okay. Get some shoe shine. Some shoe polish. Shoe polish. Shines, nourishes, and alien billboard. Alright, let's proceed, man. Oh, I did end up getting some more Pikmin before that day was over. So I do have more Pikmin than what we finished off with. Alright, I'm kind of afraid. Oh no. Oh, they shoot fire! Have no fear. My trusty Pikmin are here. Let's get this bottle cap. Alright, you fire-breathing monster. Ah! Yes. Good job, men. Alright, give me that bottle cap. Dr. Pepper. Classic. Alright, guys. Oh, there's a gym. Awesome. I almost walked right past it. It's only natural that the shiny gem costs the same amount as the Dr. Pepper bottle cap. Proceed! This isn't so bad. But we still have not come across any poison, which we probably will this time. But we may get some poison-proof Pikmin, hopefully. Oh, yes!
How can a flower be so deep underground, bloom so robustly? How mysterious. This place is conspicuously warm. Could it act as a kind of a hothouse for foliage? What an interesting development. A Pikmin look as if they've longed to be tossed into the flower.
Alright, buddies. Time for you to get a little upgrade. Upgrade time. I'm actually going to wait here until they bloom. Alright, so we've got step 1 complete. They've got the bulbs. Now we just need to wait for them to bloom. And I'll be back. Alright guys, they're blooming. And we're back. Time to pick them. They're gonna be just as strong as all the other men. Oh. Incredible, a white Pikmin. It is tiny. but it looks distinctly swift. Its eyes are unseemingly red. This type of Pikmin was not mentioned in your notes, Olimar. It must be an entirely new type. Our data recorded on this type is a blank page, since a certain captain never documented them. You must experiment and make detailed observations for the benefit of our future generations. Alright. Now that I've got my men, my newest addition to the team. Wait, what? Oh my gosh. Cool. Thanks, guys. Oh, sweet. I got a roll of duct tape. Oh, man. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of here! Oh, I could have just made them stronger. Darn it. Wasted like 15 minutes just sitting here. Super stick textile. We're gonna make it all the way through this. No failures. Failure is not an option. Alright. Alright, man. Yeah. Alright, level 4. Oh, I need to separate all of my men. No, wait. Alright, now I just want the white ones. Okay, because I think they are poison proof. Yes, they are. And I think what I'll do is have Louis with all of these guys. Sweet. Alright, good man. Have Louis come over here, and they can grab this item of chapstick. Is this a treasure? I don't know if it's poisonous though. It is a mushroom. So I'm just going to assume. Chapstick. Always. Oh, survival ointment. That's true. You can't survive without that chapstick. That wasn't really worth it. Wait. Oh no! Just leave no stone unturned. Alright, let's exit to the next floor. So I've got this strategy down. We went the wrong way. Oh, they're so fast. Alright, enter! Deeper! Let's finish this. I hope there's something cool in here. That looks disheartening. Hold on a second. Wait, what did I do? Okay, let me just take these guys. Oh no. And then a few of the big ones.
Oh no! What is that? Is that a freaking bird?
Okay. Need to come up with a game plan. Alright, where'd he go? Okay. Few of you may die. Oh, go! Oh, I'm sorry. A jerk. Yes. That's how you do it. Alright. Finish him! Yes. What are you gonna do? It's like a snake! It's a snake bird thing. Got that glove. You've defeated the freakish half bird, half snake. What's in here? Get that suction. That wasn't so bad. When you have an occupied time interval, press and hold X to take a nap. Cool. Can I do that now? Yes. What? Take a nap. Wait, what? No, 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 no! They're trying to take me away. Wait, hold on. I don't want to see that again. I'll take a nap in the middle of them. Oh my gosh. No. They're like, oh no, master, he's dead. We need to bring him back. Okay, there's absolutely nothing else I can get here. I only had 3 die, though. That's good. I just got so much stuff. Cave completed! 20% of debt recovered. Booyah. Alright, let me just grab these guys, because I know there's something over here that I can get. It's just a nut. Alright, nut received. Kinda looks like a coconut. Alright, let me get my white ones. Because I know there's that poisonous barrier. Go ahead and mess with that. Ew. Gross. There's so much to explore here. Alright, I'll let you guys work on that. Go ahead and work on that. I said work on that! Alright. Everyone else. Now I need Pikmin that can, like, swim. That would be nice. I think the 5 Pikmin that are stranded somewhere are the ones that can... Oh! Nasty! Die! You nasty... No! Die! Oh, you filthy... filthy worms. Good man. Help us grow. Die. That'll teach you. It actually won't teach you anything, but it'll teach you. Alright. Let's go find our dudes. They should be almost done. Oh, strawberry. Neat. Whom are making progress right now, I can hear. Oh, perfect. And perfect again. So that multitasking. You're about to do something very dumb. Oh no! Oh god! Oh! Oh no! Oh you! Oh no! Oh, I messed up. Oh, they're fighting for freedom! Oh, do it! Kill them! Ah! Yes! So they're part of the globe. Nice. Purple guys, you will go first. 90. I need 10 of you. Good enough. Oh, can I like... Yes, they can attack that. Cool. Okay, is there one over here? I need to get on that side. Oh, do I have to throw them across? No. Okay, unless the white ones can swim.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
Nope. That's never gonna get old. Okay, so I need to look for some of the other Pikmin that are around here. The natives. Huh. Check over here. Oh, here's another poison one. Perfect. Alright, boys. Do your work. I'll speed this up a little bit. Yeah.
This hemisphere also contains a hidden microchip. I will attempt to decrypt the stored data. Decoding complete. As I surmised, the ship contains additional topographic data. The data has been inputted into my database. I shall name it the Survey Chart.
Go me. Alright. Get some of you on that. And get some of you on that, so I can have more of that. Poison stuff. Let's check out our progress over here. They're about halfway done. Alright, nap time. I think it might, like when they take me to the ship. Can I swim in the water? Oh, I can go in the water. That's not a problem for me. Alright, let me just take the white one. This is Steve. This is Steven. He's my buddy. Any day now. Oh no. Come on, get it down. Yes. Destroy. Yes. Oh no! I'm gonna run out of time! Oh no! Did I get them all? Alright guys, I'll see you next time. That's the day complete. We'll find out if we got all of them. All of our Pikmin. I don't know if I did. Let me know in the comment section your favorite part. And I will see you next time.